Bonjour les garçons. In today's video, I would like to talk about something that most of you already know or are familiar with. It is the gender of adjectives, le genre des adjectives. Des adjectifs, pardon. So as you all know, basically in French, whenever we want to have the feminine of an adjective, what do? We simply do the following. The feminine, le féminin, equals to the masculine of the adjective plus E. Now, we have to keep in mind that this is a general rule. It does not always apply. Let me show you. So this is la règle générale. The general rule. That rule does not always apply. Before we even get into the details, let's take a look at a couple of examples. So yeah, I will take motivé. I will add an E. That's feminine. Motivé. I will take méchant. Méchant. In the masculine. I will add an E. Méchante. Charmant. Charming. Nice. And I will add an E. Charmante. So these give you a couple of examples. Oh, I can also use, wait, let me do one more. Bavard, right? Chatty, bavard. So these are examples for the general rule. This is about 90% of adjectives, of all adjectives. Now, sometimes the adjectives end differently. First of all, let's assume that in the masculine, the adjective already has an E. So what's going to happen in the feminine? Well, nothing. This adjective right here is what we called a mixed adjective, which means that you can use it the same way for masculine or feminine because there is already an E at the end. It does not need to change. Let's take a look at what changes then. For the change, you have what we called the if adjectives, like sportif. We have the ex adjectives, like sérieux. And we have the on adjectives, like bon. The feminine is going to be Yves, the, and ne. Sportive, sérieuse, bonne. This is the feminine of the if, ex, and n adjectives. Sometimes some adjectives are also irregular. Just think about these ones. Beau, beautiful, handsome, belle. Gentil, féminine, gentille, with double L-E. Blanc, white. It's not character, but still, it's irregular, so I write it down. Blanche. These are our irregular adjectives. Okay? And now, finally, I'm going to just show you a couple of adjectives in context. Just write a couple of sentences so you see how it works. Elle est gentille et motivée. Okay, as you can see, feminine. Il est sérieux. Nothing changes. The X remain the same. This is it for my video on les adjectifs and the gender of adjectives. Merci les garçons. Au revoir.